Hi, my name is Sean, and I'm from South Africa. English is my native language, and I've been teaching English in both real classrooms and online platforms for 30 years. I've over 8,000 hours of experience teaching English as a second language online. My strengths in this role is my extensive experience, the fact that I have a very neutral and easy to understand accent, and I am a very, very patient teacher. We can focus on conversation or listening practice, grammar or exams, or even job interview preparation. My specialities are IELTS and TOEFL exams and job preparations. Lessons with me are relaxed with a focus on your needs and requests. Just tell me what your goals are and I can help you achieve them. I hope to speak with you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.